Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to change your payment method on Netflix. The first thing you need to know, I am in a Spanish account, so I translate to you what is the process and every button we use. I translate to you the process. The first step is go to the superior right corner in the option of your profile here, and you need to pick here in the part of cuenta. This is in English. This is account. You need to put here in account, and after that, you need to go to the option here of your payment method. Administrar la forma de pago. This is management your payment method. You need to pick here, and for to finish this process, you need to pick here in agregar forma de pago. This is add a payment method like another card or another application of payment, and that's it. You put your card here and you update your payment method. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.